Hi lads, welcome back to the channel. The last time you seen, we got the welding done, we got the sensor in, and we got the Volvo started. So massive progress has been made. Today we're going to start on the actual bodywork side of things. So this is where I kind of come into play now. So we've got a lot to do. So let's just get straight into it. So if you do like this kind of content, if you enjoy what we do here, please leave a like, leave a comment, and be sure to give us now a subscription too as well. Okay, let's get straight into it. So this car's been off the road since I believe 2012, 2013 is the last time I've seen the road, and the water pump has been sitting here since then, if not a little bit longer. You can see there's a lot of corrosion, there's a lot of rust around it, so I'm not taking any chances here. I'm going to put on a little bit of spray and apply a little bit of heat and just take my time knocking these bolts loose.
Able to get the heater box back into that job? Yeah.
So as you can see, there's a lot of corrosion on this water pump. So we took some time, we tidied it up the best we could. By right, we probably should have done a full flush, but we don't have time, so we had to kind of cut corners. But we will revisit this in the future.
Right, go on. Sorry, she's fine.
There you go.
There you go.
She's so smooth, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, and quiet.
I'm going to leave that off because she's probably going to need that again. The easy start again. They got to go on the next time.
Yeah.
She just needs a battery and general running to get her back up to an easier start.
Yeah.
You know?
And as we move over to the bodywork side of things, we're going to take a quick moment to mention our sponsors, Abcon Industrial Products. We could not be doing what we're doing without their help. So huge shout out to those guys. And here we are using their master service body filler. This stuff is absolutely fantastic. I find that most body fillers, the viscosity of it is quite high. It doesn't flow very well. Whereas this stuff here just flows beautifully. It's so easy to work into any kind of dents or welding cracks or pinholes or anything like that. So if you are doing a DIY project, or maybe you're doing something a little bit more professional, I would highly recommend this stuff here. Be sure to check out Abcon, link in the description below. So we've done the first layer of filler, and down here I just kind of skimmed it a little bit just to see how it worked out. But this is the first layer of filler work done. So what we need to do now is, in the case of areas like this, we need to do a second coat of filler, and then it's shaping it and getting it in the right shape that it looks some way decent. So, and then this is the other side. So a lot of work to do here. These welds still need to be sorted. I'll come back and do them. I'm just going to focus this filler work while I'm at it, and then down here as well. So that's where we are at the Volvo. Onto the body work, and I actually think it's I'm actually kind of thinking it might move a little bit faster than we initially thought. So the good thing is I can come out here and I can do extra days if need be. So let's just get stuck in and see what we get done. my god. Just the amount of fillers this is going to take, and just...
On that side.
Oh. What the fuck are we doing? What are we doing? There's a lot of work in this. There's a lot of filler work in this yet to do. This side here, if the fucking face tracking would come off. There you go. This is going to be a fucking mess. I don't know how I'm going to. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do here. What the fuck have we done? What are we doing? So as you can see, 1 minute I'm up, the next minute I'm in the pits of despair. This car is putting me through the motions. We're on the passenger side now. We're getting the wire and loom sketched up. Get that sketched up, and then we're going to use just a tungsten bore to just get a rough kind of a hole made out for it. I think that's just gonna have to do. So moving on to the following week, we did find that the alternator was not working correctly. It wasn't recharging the battery, so we sent that off. It has come back. Here it is, looking lovely and new. We have installed it, and now we're going to take the car for the first official run. Now, it's time to bring the Volvo on its first ever drive, lads. Oh, she sounds good. 20 miles an hour. If there's one thing this Volvo is, it's slow. But it's a good slow. It's a comfortable slow. These seats are so padded. Brakes are a little bit seized on it, so you can tell she's being pulled back a little bit, but she's running great. Sounds fantastic. Lovely and smooth. This is brilliant. This is absolutely fantastic. Oh my god, I'm so excited to get this car finished. So now that we know that the car is running, and it's running well, it's running fantastically well, absolutely beautiful, nice and smooth, no kind of crazy sounds or anything like that. So the next thing is we need to get this car booked in for an NCT. So we have done that, and now we need to get it ready for it. Right, okay, so as we said, we're getting this car out to NCT, so we've got to take everything out and then put everything back in. Remember kids, always hoover out your Volvos.
Remember kids, don't get Volvo.
Remember kids, just don't buy Volvos.
Remember kids, stay away from Volvo.
Stay away from Volvos. The man in the Volvo giving out sweets is not your friend.
Get involved in other addictive things other than Volvo.
Just stick to in here. Like, it would honestly be fucking easier than this absolute shite. was actually at this point that Lee brought up a good point. Instead of maybe putting together the inside of the car, we should probably focus on getting that passenger door on, because the fact that we had to weld in so much steel there, it's going to take some time to actually get that lined up correctly. So this is where things change course ever so slightly. Just drill that door and call that a success.
I think that gap's all right.
Oh yeah, no, it's perfectly fine. I'm just wondering, like, it's not going to move or nothing, or well, no, not really. No, it's not.
Drill your hinge and that's it.
Drill that hinge.
Just keep this side parked against the hedge anywhere you go.
It's the passenger side. Who gives a fuck about the passenger? Alana will not step foot in this thing as long as it remains a Guinness car.
No, I wouldn't think so now.
No. Poor Alana's not going to have any kind of form of transport.
No, she's not, isn't she?
It's not now. Before we can hang the door, we need to figure out how do we actually get around to drilling these holes. You can see that the door itself is kind of in the way, so we took our time, put our heads together, came up with a game plan, and I believe we figured something out. Nothing outside the ordinary. Sure, who needs a door? Yeah, it could be. Sure, worst case scenario, I just don't have a passenger door, and who gives a fuck about the passenger? So the holes are drilled. The next step now is, I guess we need to line them up, make sure they're still right. Quite nervous. This is a big job. Okay, so we've got the holes drilled. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just tidy up this little fitting. So this sits actually behind the pillar, and this is what actually bolts the pillar to that hinge. So just going to tidy up in the wire wheel while we're at it. Okay, so this is what we've done. Still pretty well battered, but we may as well just tidy it up while they're at it, like, you know. So yeah, we'll just chuck this on the car now. So this is as far as we are now with the Volvo currently. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please do leave us a like. If you have any kind of input, leave a comment, and be sure to hit us up with a subscription. We would absolutely love to have you here as part of the channel. We do have a second build that is starting very, very soon, the Toyota Galanza of Lee's. That will be coming to the channel soon, so be sure to tune in for that. And we have lots of surprises and lots of future projects planned. So until the next one, we'll see you then. Bye bye.